Sa atong pag-opening, sa atong acceptance, turnover, and ceremony sa atong street lighting sa municipal roads. Good morning, thank you, and have a nice day.
DILGWA, Director Anil Agabi, I hereby turn over the SGLGIF funded project to the municipality of Tomas Opos.
And it is accepted, and thank you.
Palakpakan. Thank you very much.
Magpasalamat ko sa mga nagpaluyuan labi na sa atong DILG o labi na sa atong department head sa tipo Tomas Opos atong ning tanan premium man di ba? So, but especially also sa the person who is behind this project which I get the credit for. This is not my work, but this is from former Mayor Jessica Scanio. And that's what we are proud for sa bayan ko. And then also, I'm proud na ato din na nawatan ng isip mo sa career. Then that's all, and thank you. And hopefully, tinuod tong atong ibalitaan ni Sir Pedro at mga engineers na to, no? Na gamay nga kayuhan. And hopefully, atong tabangan o kampo para po, no? Para ni sa atong lungsod. Para po sa pag-isip nga tao. Then, thank you kayo ninyong tanan. And good morning.
Of course, my greetings of telling everybody here I love you. Let me start by coming up with a good news for us. Ano dito sabihin, announced kanina ni Mayor Ivan that the municipality of Tomas Opos among the 12 LGUs who were included in the 2026 General Appropriation Act for Local Government Support Fund under the Growth Equity Program. The municipality will be receiving 30 million for 2026. We are just waiting for the guidelines para sa formal orientation for us to know what are the menu, ano ba yung menu for those projects for this. Nevertheless, daghan ang atong kalipay na among the LGUs in Southern Leyte. Tomas Opos is one of the 12 LGUs. Today we are actually celebrating a momentous occasion because we have inaugurated and formally turned over yung inyong katas ng SGLG. Yung inyong pinaghirapan. And I would like to congratulate the local government unit, especially the leadership of Mayor Ivan, for coming up with a wise project. Alam naman natin yung advantage na solar powered street lights, not only in terms of peace and order but also in terms of economy, no? Atong gisaulog ang usapan, importante ang milestone, umawa ang pagkompleto o pag-turnover ng mga solar powered streets. Street lights na ipahatag sa atong lokal na panggobyerno pinaagi sa SGLGIF, no? Resulta ini sa inyong pagpasara sa 2025 SGLG. So, alam natin yung mga highlights ng project. Una-una, alam natin ang solar-powered electric lights, gagamit ang enerhiya sa dilaw aron magliwanag atong mga dalan sa gabi. Pangalawa, in terms of local economy o efficiency, ubos ang gastos pero taas ang ka-epektibo sining project. And third, in terms of greenhouse sa kalibutan, ilang proyekto nagpakunod sa carbon footprints, no? So sa atong mga leaders sa local government unit, especially ang atong mayor at sa unang bayan members, pasalamat kayo sa inyong paningkamot o maayong paggamit sa pondo. This is the reward for passing this GLG, and I hope by 2028 we can sustain that award. So sa mga nagtrabaho na hiningang proyekto, labi na ang engineering office at si municipal engineer, kasama ang inyong team. Kasama rin po ang PDMU unit, PDMU from DILT, Engineer Rich and Engineer Magalong, at po sa among cluster head. Daghang salamat sa inyong dedikasyon para matampos ini na project. So with that, ang ako pakiusap ko LGU to be able to sustain the project na mamantinar ni. This should have been the end of all. We need to sustain the project para magamitan og maihang nga panahon. As we use the street lights, may the solar-powered street light illuminate our paths, symbolize our unity, and inspire further steps toward a sustainable future. So, I would like to request the LGU na sana masustain ang project nito by coming up with a report on any issues promptly. Let's protect the solar panels from damage and let us support future sustainability initiatives. So may these street lights continue to serve as well by working together to sustain the project. To the local government unit of Tomas Opos, daghang salamat. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Sir Danilo Lagitan, our Provincial Director. Salamat kayo sa imong pag-ari Director, no? Nalipay migda ko, no, with your presence. Sa gikaingon niya, I love you all. Okay?
Incentive. Kaya SGLG, kabalo naman tayo of good local governance, pero na incentive fund. So incentive din siya. This is a fund that is given to those who have passed the national validation of the SGLG. Now, the term incentive, kung saan na sa ato? Palit na. Pampagana. Diba? Sa ato pa-premium. In a sense, on something that we did, on something that you did. Diba? So since SGLG incentive funding, because of your proper documentation, good governance, kung sa patutunan sa 10 areas sa SGLG, that you have passed, here is now the incentive, pampagana, and then this is also an evidence that you did something good. This is pampagana or vision or what?
It's a hard project.
Yes, this is a very hard
Hindi ito pampalupag loob ba?
So in a sense, to close everything, congratulations kay Nahingo ninyo to. And together with what Kay Dani have said kanina, I wish that we will work still harder kinanapin mo puno-puno for another, budak mo naman po ng incentive ang sunod, kaya wala may plan for projects. Sige lang po nila sa SGLG incentive funds. So, I leave this as a challenge. Yes, nakapasay na ta. But as per, kung sa isuti ka doon sa mga regional director, malayo na ang narating, pero malayo pa rin ang pwede marating natin. So, we do better on what we did. Siyempre, ang atong baseline karon katong performance na to last year. So, we try to increase our performance from that. Okay lang ba sa challenge na? I leave it as a challenge to our mayor, to our vice mayor, to the SB members, and all the department heads, especially to increase our performance. So kung sa tumahimong na ito last time, kaya naman dito. Again, in all the municipalities na under na pag-start sa SGLG, always yung kumusulti. SGLG, minimum requirement na. Minimum. Pinaka-minus na kinahan na itong buhaton. Meaning to say, may mas labaw pa na pwede na itong ihatag. If we talk about good service, servisyo publiko, we try to do our best, not the mere minimum. Diba? I leave it as a challenge to all of us. Thank you and good morning.